Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change the Google Gemini voice on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change the voices on your Google Gemini. So Google Assistant or Google Gemini just going to show in this video. First of all, just long press on your home screen, so you can just open the Google Gemini and just swipe up. So you can just open the Google Gemini like this. And now just come closer. You have on the top, you can have the profile picture on the top. Just click on that. After clicking that, you have the option called setting. Click on that. So after clicking on the setting option, you have an option called Gemini voice. Click on this. After clicking on the Gemini voice, here you can just choose the different type of voice assistant here. So you guys can change this and just listen the voice. Then click on the select option. That's it. It's so simple. Go to the Gemini setting and just click on the Gemini voice and just choose the voice you just hear. It's so simple. And feel free to keep me story until you. It's so simple. This is the way that you can just easily select the voice of your Gemini or Google Voice Assistant on your mobile. I think this video had you lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.